Take a look at this YouTube channel. It has gained over 3 million subscribers with just 164 videos, and almost every video is getting millions of views. And all they're posting are these face ASMR eating videos. Now here's the interesting part. Today I'll show you how to create these exact videos using AI and grow your channel. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT, then go to Explore GPTs and search for ASMR mouth eating. Once you find it, click on Start Chat. Now it will ask you for candy type, candy color, and lip style. For example, I'll choose lollipop, yellow, red lip. Now click Generate. ChatGPT will provide a main scene prompt and multiple image plus video prompts. First, copy the main scene prompt. Now go to Flow AI, click on Create Image, choose Aspect Ratio, Number of Outputs. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Within seconds, your main scene images are ready. We'll use these as reference images. Now copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Generate again, and now your detailed images are ready. Next, go to Create Video inside Flow AI. Choose Aspect Ratio, Number of Outputs. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Now copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Generate, and just like that, your video is ready. Take a look. It looks realistic and very satisfying. You can now download it and use it for your content. Here's another one I created using the same method. And that's how you can create these viral face ASMR eating videos using AI and grow your channel. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials, and comment below which niche I should cover next.